Hey guys, it's Steven from Chile, and today we're going to make something delicious but also very healthy. It's a chicken taco style salad. We're going to do a baked chicken in a homemade dry rub, make some quick pickled red onions, homemade dressings. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Camerawoman Courtney, you ready to start cooking? I'm going to start the dry rub with my usual taco seasoning, which is equal parts chili powder, dry cumin, and chipotle powder. I'm going to round it out a bit by adding paprika, regular and the smoked variety, some oregano, and also some garlic powder because Camerawoman Courtney likes garlic on everything. Got some nice boneless chicken breast, which I've trimmed the fat off of. I'm gonna pat it nice and dry with a paper towel and then generously coat it in the dry rub. Make sure it's completely covered in the rub, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just lay them all out on a baking dish. The oven preheated to 425. We're gonna put the chicken in for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes, give it a nice flip so it cooks evenly. I've also picked up some low sodium black beans. Again, we're trying to keep this recipe really healthy. Go ahead and throw those in the oven too after the 10-minute mark with the chicken. I'm going to add some cool water to a nice bowl of spring greens, and then also add some red wine vinegar to it. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, during which time we could also make our dressing. We're going to just add some fresh lime juice and roughly equal parts of red wine vinegar. I'm going to add just a drop of oil because we're keeping it healthy, and a nice dash of oregano. We want to let the beans and chicken cool a little bit, and that gives us time to dress the salad. We're going to lightly dress it with a homemade dressing, give it a nice toss, and then also let any excess dressing drip off before we put it onto the plate. We don't want a runny salad, and we're trying to keep things light. Use a slotted spoon to put the beans on the salad without adding any of that extra juice. And then of course we're going to add some of that beautiful dry rub, the baked chicken, nice slices there. This is looking delicious already. Wait a minute, where did those pickled onions come from? Alright, I'll tell you, we're gonna make a brine. I will put in the description the recipe for such brine. It's also the same one we use to make our homemade pickles. But once you have the brine all together, go ahead and put it on the oven and bring it to a boil, during which time we'll get some nice slices of red onion. I'm just cutting them into rings, and then put the onions in the bowl, and once it's all boiled, the brine that is, go ahead and dump it in, let it sit and cool at room temperature for about an hour. And totally be done, but we promised dressings, plural, so let's go ahead and add another. Take some cilantro leaves and finely chop them, better yet grind them, and then we're going to take some fresh lemon, just a little bit, and add it to some low-fat sour cream. We're also going to add just a drop of apple cider vinegar, give it a whisk, slowly add in some of that cilantro. We don't want to overdo it. Whisk that in, just a drop of olive oil. We're keeping things healthy, and bam, back to present time. This is looking and smelling delicious, but before I dive in and take a bite, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up, like button on YouTube. Also, if you subscribe to the channel, that would truly make my day. Alright, here we go. For something so healthy, it is incredibly delicious. Forget it healthy, it's just delicious, and it's healthy. Really great salad. I know it's a lot of work, a lot of steps, but you can make the pickled onions the day before and stuff like that to speed things up. It's really great. I really recommend you trying it at home. If you do, write in the comments, let us know how it came out. Thank you so much. Stay well, keep cooking.